Hello, in this video I'm going to show you yet another very exciting AI image editing tool which is called as Uncrop. This Uncrop tool is from Clipdrop and it is primarily an outpainting tool that allows us to change the ratio of any image by creating an expanded background to complement any existing photo or image. We can try it out for free on clipdrop.co website and I will paste the link in video's description. Let's have a look at that and let's give it a try. I would also suggest to create an account on this website which is free so that you will have more credits to try out these things. So for this all you need to do is to go to this page, click here and then select the file. I'm just selecting this free image. Once that's selected, from the bottom of the page you can select the type or the layout of the image is landscape, portrait and scale. Let me go first with the custom one. Click on next and it will start uncropping this image. It takes few seconds to crop it and now you can see it has produced different images. So let me also show you, this is our original image. Let me which is on the screen. Now if you select this one you'll see that it has expanded it. Click on this, it has changed it a bit. And then you can keep scrolling and it will show you different versions of it. And as you can see, it has expanded it. So let me again go to the first one so that you could see the difference. As you can see in the background, there is this palm tree on this new one, but in the original one, there was nothing. Now go to this, it has changed it a bit again. There are a few more clouds on the sky and so on and so forth. So this is the custom one. Let's see how the portrait one works in this one. So let me select it again. Then let's go with the portrait one. Click next. Now it is converting it, takes few seconds. Okay, so it has selected one of them. Let them complete and then we'll check. Okay, now you can see it has just uncropped the image vertically and it has put a sun here, bit of a more sky. Also, it has put in some of the water on the beach. Let's check this one. It has changed the texture a bit. The clouds are here, sun is not here, but we can still sense the sun behind the cloud. Let's check this one. This has changed it a bit further. So whichever image you like, and you can download it from the top right. So this is how it works. Also on this screen, if you don't want to put an image of your own, you can try a few examples. For example, if you go here, you can see that this is the cropped one and this is the original one. When you crop it, it has put in an expanded background. Then, for example, with the art ones, this is the original and this is the uncropped. For the texture one, this is a uncropped, this is the original. Same with the landscape, this is the uncropped, and if I click on original, this is the original one. Again, uncropped. And then this is primarily an uncropped tool, but you can already see the potential of it and how quick and how realistic it looks. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any comments or feedback, please put them in the comment section. Thank you very much.